Hi, I'm here with Gaokeview. Um, we have been manufacturing and developing visual solutions for classrooms, conference rooms, and retail spaces for the past 34 years. We have products running over in 80 countries, mostly in Europe and Southeast Asia. And we're just getting started here in North America with a new office in LA. So we're actively looking for partners, distributors, integrators. Hit us up. This here is a 22-inch rotating kiosk or screen signage. It's got a 4K IPS panel. The stand is adjustable. We've seen people use it for the office, conference rooms, yoga class, whatever. When not plugged in, the battery runs for up to 6 hours. That's it.